Hello and welcome to your new card deck called Your Past Life Story. It's based on many sessions that I had with clients as a past life regression therapist, spiritual regression between life therapist. And they aim for healing or help with healing or direct you towards healing of whatever is troubling you that has origins from the past life. The cards are divided into 5 colors. Blue is the place where you were. Green is the role that you play or who you were in that past life. Red is the body parts that were affected. Gray is the emotions that are attached to the body and to the past life. And here's the card of solution. So solution are yellow cards. Solution is the healing. So the first, or one way to interpret these cards, I mean, the cards don't have any specific interpretation. It's up to you really to see which card, how they speak to you, how each card speaks to you. If you have experience with past lives or not, it does not matter. So in this case, as I pull these cards, the first one is city. So there was a past life in a city. And you were a ruler there, okay? Somebody who is in charge of many people. From that past life, you're carrying restlessness on your chest or on your in your lungs. We don't know exactly why, but it doesn't matter. The point is to heal it. So with the restlessness, there is emotion of feeling betrayed or feeling betrayed. And we are looking for a solution. So we don't know exactly what happened there, but maybe the city resonates with you. Maybe being a ruler in the past life somehow resonates with you. Maybe you do have some symptoms of restlessness in your chest. Maybe some issues with lungs. And maybe somewhere deep down you feel betrayed. Maybe that's a thing that repeats in your life, that people seemingly betray you, or your perception of them is that they betray you. And the solution card is say no. So this is a clear boundary, to set the boundary that makes sense in this reading. Okay? So carrying from the past life as a ruler in the city, you still have the restlessness in your chest or lungs and the feeling somewhere deep down being betrayed. The way to heal it is to say no. That means maybe we are always available for everybody, and this time when we set the boundaries and say no, then the restlessness will go away altogether with the feeling of being betrayed. These cards can go very deep if you want them to. Play with them, no strict rules. Play with them as they talk to you. I will show you now another way of reading them, or setting them for reading. So this was with the same colors, okay? So you divide your deck in the same colors. And the other way, which is simpler, but does not always give us the whole sentence, does not always give us the past life story, only gives us part of it. So we can see here, again, I pick up 5 cards for the beginning. I don't have any preference on whether they should be upside down or not. It's up to you again, if you have experience with that, or if you like how you interpret it. Okay, this one's coming out. This one's coming out. 3. And this one. And let's see if it gives us what it gives us. Okay, so here we have Africa. So past lives in Africa, maybe it resonates with you. Maybe you like Africa. Maybe it's a place you always wanted to go. Maybe you're there and feeling at home. And a card of a servant. So somebody who were in service of other people in Africa. And again, we have a betrayal here. So feeling of betrayed. And another past life, another past lives other past lives relating to it. And that's in the city and a samurai. So we have where you were, who you were, and what was the outcome of it. But it does not give us solution, and it does not give us the card of the body parts. So let's pick some more if we can get more answered about it. And here's another card of place. So yeah, maybe you had lots of incarnations on Earth with the same topic of being betrayed. I don't know. You tell me. I pick up another one. And it's a healer. Okay, so there are always the topic of betrayed replays again in several past lives, as you see. In Africa as a servant, then in the city as a samurai, and in a desert as a healer. Okay, they didn't give us a card of a solution, and it did not give us a card of the body misalignments. So you can pull cards when you have like this incomplete, the past life story. You can pull your cards later on in a week or so. Just check again to what the message of the cards are for you related to these two, or actually three past lives that we just saw. I just get one card for the end of this reading. And let me see. Yep, given up. So that's emotion of feeling given up. So we are not getting this time a card of solution yet. Oh yes, we do, finally. If you ask, you get. So card of a hug. Very often we are missing up on human, on love and nice feelings in our life, because somewhere in the past life we have given up and we are not making an effort to come to our loved ones and to give a hug. Okay, so play with these cards to all your enjoy, and I hope they're gonna serve you well. Enjoy. Don't take it complicated. Enjoy.